In a photo, shadows and highlights transition with a gradiated softness. So hard edge selection tools don't work well for fixing lighting problems. With Quickmask, a selection can be painted on with a brush or other tool and can be applied with a controlled opacity. The flash in this photo has fallen off and the background is underexposed. With a soft brush, mask can be painted over the foreground to allow separate adjustment of the background. I'm going to click the Quick Mask Mode button and then paint in the area I want to mask. You can reduce the brush size and zoom in as needed. I'm going to clean up the mask by reversing the color I'm painting to white, which will erase the mask. One trick is by holding the Shift key down, I can get a continuous straight line. Now that the mask is selected, I'm going to exit Quick Mask Mode and adjust the background using curves. As I've lightened the image, I noticed a slight green cast in the highlight areas, probably caused by a fluorescent light fixture. So I'm just going to take the green down a notch. Brightening the background introduced some noise into the shadows. So I'm going to apply a despeckle filter. The despeckle filter has been applied only to the area not covered by the mask. Now, this is a good thing, since the despeckle filter has a slight softening effect on the image. It's only been applied where it's needed. This second photo has a similar problem to the first one, in that the flash has fallen off towards the back. However, in this image, the flash falls off more gradually. To begin with, I'm going to start with a brush with 100% opacity. Start Quick Mask Mode and fill in the brightest area. Then I'm going to reduce the opacity to 30%. I'm going to create a gradual transition from the highlight to the shadow area. I'm going to apply it in multiple passes to create a smooth transition. Now I'm exiting Quick Mask Mode and applying curves. Now I'm going to invert the selection and adjust the highlight area. And just give it a slight contrast boost. Quick Mask Mode is an indispensable tool for adjusting lighting in a photograph, and there's an infinite number of ways of using and applying them. In addition to being used with curves or levels, they can be used really with any filter or adjustment.